Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome back to another video. Today we got a very special package sent over to Adidas. I'm super excited. A huge shout out to Adidas, man. We've been working together for a few years now. Still mind blowing that I can actually work with a company that I've been wearing my entire life. Before we get the video started, if y'all don't know, then we are super close to 100K. Right now we at like 98K and some change, so if you did not subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping these bangers. Everything from Instagram, Twitter, even my other YouTube channels where I create other content will all be linked down below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here we have the box, guys. Like I said, this is sent over from Adidas, but yet still I don't know what they sent. Now I got an idea, because if you watch any of the Adidas videos I have done in the past, it's usually the same theme, but some differences happen that I'll talk about a little bit later in the video that kind of got me wondering what's going on. So let's open up this box and see what Adidas sent over. Like I said, man, it's crazy. It's still surreal, you know, whenever you get a chance to work with brands that you've been wearing or appreciating your whole entire life. And Adidas has always been one of those shoes, whether it's Adidas basketball or even Adidas shoes like the Yeezy, even shoes like the Ultra Boost when they were hot, man. I mean, okay, here we go. I see what's in it. We got an Adidas Human Race box. Now, I don't know what Human Race dropped recently. I'm assuming this is a recent release. I'm kind of late. I had this package for a few days, but due to me traveling and having a backed up schedule, I wasn't able to open this up. But I always keep my eye open for Adidas releases, and I don't remember the Human Race dropping, so I'm kind of curious of what colorway this could be. So let's open this up and see. All right, first off, we got a card. Let's read it. Okay, the card kind of give it away. But this is cool. Adidas Originals and Pharrell Williams pay homage to the origins of Billionaire Boys Club with their latest Human Race NMD BBC Grey. This is a BBC collab. For y'all don't know, Billionaire Boys Club is a streetwear brand. One of my favorite brands. I got hoodies. I actually got another pair of Billionaire Boys Collab shoes. I might even grab those for the video that's in the other room. Man, in high school, even now, I still rock Billionaire Boys Club. It was one of those clothing brands where it was kind of expensive, so you needed some bread to wear that kind of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. A shirt was like $50, $60. Back then, that was a lot of money. Now that's like the norm, but in high school, if you was rocking $50 shirts, bro, like you was one of them guys, especially Billionaire Boys Club. The sneaker features a gray knitted upper with BBC's helmet logo printed on the upper, matched with a Boost midsole and a rubber outsole. Enjoy, Pharrell, Adidas Original, BBC Ice Cream. So, huge shout out to Adidas, man. This is sick. This is the Human Race NMD, and the reason why I say it can get kind of tricky is because Adidas actually recently just designed an entirely different Pharrell Williams silhouette, which was the Sakona, and we got the Sakona in actually here. So, but before we get into that, woo, check these out, man. This is the Adidas Human Race. Actually, you know what? I hate showing the ones with the strings hanging out because it kind of makes it hard to see. But we got the Adidas Human Race NMD. As y'all can see, that Billionaire Boys Club helmet right there on the toe box, as it said. This is the BBC collab, man. Here we have it. This is, like it says, like a dark charcoal gray knitted upper. Super cool. And it also comes like with the spare pink laces. I'm not really one for the lace swap. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't usually lace swap. But in this scenario, in this case, I'm definitely swapping to the pink. These are fire. Look at that. Check that out, man. On both sides, usually you will have some type of message on the toe box or on the front, but this time they're just rocking it out with the Billionaire Boys collab. So for the people who think I be capping, I mean, call my bluff. Right here, I have a pair of one of the original BBC Human Race collabs, and this one was one of my favorite. It got like the, I don't even know what to call it, the multicolor upper, and on the back you see like the BBC logo, and you see the Adidas logo, the BBC logo being on this shoe right here. BBC logo right there on the back. This is one of my favorite collabs. I forget what year this came out, but I know I paid resale for this. This was before Adidas was even in the picture. I paid resale for this, whatever resale was, I paid it. It was another pair that I wanted even more. It was like blue, it was like a navy blue and pink. I really love that one. That one was like for family and friends only, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. That one was the one I love the most. I still do love the multicolor, but fast forward a few years, and now Adidas has sent me over the newest pair, the Billionaire Boys collab. Now, I'm pretty sure we all familiarized with the NMD. I mean, it's been like a staple in Adidas, especially for like advancement in sneakers. Whenever the Boost came through with the NMD, it changed the game for a very long time. I believe that the NMD actually took over sneakers for a while. And not even to mention the actual Boost technology that took over sneakers for a while. It kind of switched up the game from being about fashionable to comfort because they kind of mix both together. Now, I told y'all recently, Adidas kind of switched it up by giving us a new look for the Human Race NMD, and I'm sorry, not the Human Race NMD, I'm sorry, the Human Race, and they decided to come out with a new silhouette, which is the Adidas Pharell Sakona, which is this burgundy pair that they sent over. And I'm telling y'all, this pair, if you get a chance to get it, I think it's worth it, man. This shoe fits like a glove. It's one of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever put on in my life. I would think that they probably would have made a collab with this shoe, saying that it's a new silhouette that probably, you know, be dope to see like something new on these, but they decided to go with the OGs. So they let the OGs take this collab. Who knows though, we might see more collaborations with Human Race and BBC on the Sakona. That will be dope. I'm really liking these pairs. The green pair, I believe, is Family and Friends with the Sakona. I think that's the pair that Pharrell had on in this episode of Shopping with Complex. That is the episode that made me, I was 100% bought in on the Sakona after I seen that episode. Of course, we got the boots showing out through the outer sole. Boots right here on the midsole. On the back heel of the midsole, we get like this light blue tinted. And on the upper, we kind of get like this aged sail. Now, the entire upper of the shoe have these huge vertical lines going throughout the entire upper of the shoe. Not really sure what's like the design purpose behind it, but it looks kind of cool. It actually look like a sock. You know, like certain socks we have like the vertical lines going up. This could look like a BBC sock. Maybe because it fits like a sock upper. I don't know. Of course, we get like the huge Moon Man BBC logo right there. 3M laces as always. The factory laces here are like the same color as the upper, which is probably a reason why I switch it up. The pink ones over here definitely like cause some separation between the upper and the laces. I mean, it's an exact match between the uppers and the laces, so you can kind of get lost. They can look like one big blob. I think with the lace swap, you can actually, you know, throw a little bit of creativeness to it, throw a little bit of spunk to it, and it'll separate the top from bottom and give you a nice little crisp look. Also, pink is a good color too, bro, especially if you know how to mix match it and do other things with it. So as far as release news, I have no idea how much these retail for or when they're releasing, or even if they already released. Like I said, I usually keep my eye open for Adidas releases, and somehow, some way, this one must have slipped my radar or it isn't out yet. However, the Adidas link is down below, and a lot of these Human Race NMDs are in your local malls now. I remember when Human Race NMDs used to be like a long line for them. They were almost impossible to get. Now 2021, if you actually enjoy these, you wouldn't have a problem going into stores and actually picking you up a pair. I'm not really sure how many of you guys actually know the Billionaire Boys Club brand. It's not like it's a small brand. It's actually a huge brand. So if you do know them, let me know down below in the comment section if you rock with them, if you ever bought some clothing. If you do, like, which one of your favorite pieces. As I told y'all, I dated, man, it go back to high school for me with this brand. So this is super cool. And then, like, to see how like times changed to the point where I'm actually getting sent these is crazy. I want to send a huge thank you to my family over there at Adidas for hooking me up with the newest pair of Human Race NMDs. Follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, the whole nine. I appreciate y'all pulling up, watching another video. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, love y'all, dream big.